Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I am trying to get caught up on my recording. I'm a little behind. I've been sick and, yeah. And if you hear a beeping, if I move the wrong way, I'm charging the battery in my bag. Yeah, I know, that sounds weird, like I'm a robot. I have a spinal cord stimulator. And, so yeah, I've got to charge it, the battery implanted in my back every day. Okay, so I am unboxing my second Boxy Premium. And I almost decided not to do this because I know it's so late in the month, but y'all, I got some good stuff. I've got to share it with you. So, yeah. In addition to that, I know that I got this box kind of late, and I didn't get a shipping notification until the day it was getting delivered. But I know a lot of other people, you guys have mentioned to me that you've had some shipping issues too, and your boxes are delayed. Many of you are still waiting. Yeah, I don't know what's up. I know it's frustrating, but hopefully you get them soon. Really, hopefully. Okay, we're going to dive right into this, and I will go over all of the products, the information, and then I have the total value at the end of the video, along with the total percentage of savings by purchasing this box in lieu of purchasing each item individually, retail. So, stay tuned to the end of the video so you don't miss all that good info. Okay, here is this month's card for the umpteenth time. And the theme is Dare to Dazzle. And like I mentioned, this is my second one. I do get 2 of them. I do that so I can get in on different choices and bring you guys different variations here on my channel between 2 different boxes. Now, this box is variation 315. And it weighed 1.4 pounds. Let's dive in. Okay, so I saw some other unboxings, and I giggled when I saw this. It's a body scrubber. Now, I will say, I've gotten several items before from Daily Concepts, and they actually have really good products. I don't use all of them. You know, some of them I do, some of them I don't. But this is a scrubber. Okay, like an exfoliating scrubber sponge. Let's see what the card says. This retails for $18. That's a pricey scrubber. Okay, so it says it gently exfoliates with its soft, natural, organic cotton surface. I actually like that it's cotton. In addition to that, it has a soy-based core, which helps create a thicker lather when you put cleanser in it. So, I don't know, I guess that's kind of cool. Do I want a body scrubber in my $35 subscription box? My beauty box? No. But anyway, moving on. Okay, the next thing is from Skin Regime. And this is an HA Booster Hydra Plumping Concentrate. That's what she looks like. Okay, here's the bottle. And it's a nice glass bottle. Skin Regime 1.85 HA Booster. Oh, come on, y'all. $115. Really? This stuff better give me a brand new face. Or facelift, or I don't know, something. God, I could get like a half a shot of Botox for $115. Okay, hydrating serum with a concentrate of 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, micro and macro, and cross-linked. Okay. It restores optimal levels of hydration. There's no silicone or synthetic fragrance. Okay, I don't know. Next is, I got this from Fenty Beauty. And, oh wait, it's in the color Cognac Candy. And I believe it's a highlighter. Oh yeah, it's called the Diamond Balm. Here's the packaging. And y'all, Fenty Beauty has got really, really nice packaging. It's got a cute little mirror in the compact. And then look at this. That's like friggin' stunning. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I could use that color. I don't know. You think it's too dark for me? I don't want to swatch it. No, I'm going to put it aside for one of you. This will go in my 5K giveaway box. I'll be having 5 winners with all, hopefully, good stuff like this. Okay, what does the regard say about this one? Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm All Over Diamond Veil. It retails for $39, and it's a one-of-a-kind diamond dusted highlighter. It applies like a 3D glittering veil. Okay. And then, okay, so we got something from One Size, and that's Patrick Starr's brand. Right? Patrick Starr, right? I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. Oh, you know what? I chose this item. It's the eye popper. And, oh my God, yeah, I'm so excited. I got one of these in, was it my Ipsy X? But this color is 04P House. I don't know what that means. This kind of looks like the color I got before. I don't know. Yeah, I've definitely used mine and the one I got before. And I'm not big on like liquid or cream eyeshadows. But y'all, this is amazing. Look at that. So it initially looks like that pretty pinkish color or like a rose. And then look at the, boom. Look at that sparkle, right? Isn't that so pretty? One Size Eye Popper Sparkle Vision Eyeshadow retails for $22. One Swipe Wonder. This long-lasting liquid eyeshadow features a mix of glitter and pigment for high-impact sparkle and shine that's flake-free. Okay, last but not least, I'm super excited about this because this is the other thing I chose. And it's the Marc Jacobs At Lashed Mascara. So I am super excited to try this. Let's see. Look at this packaging. Look at it. It's like the gold and black stripes. Oh, it's so hard to see with the lighting. Oh, I am so excited to try this. I'm not going to open it right now just because I've got a couple of mascaras open. Okay. Oh, let me see the card on this one. Marc Jacobs Beauty At Lashed Lengthening and Curling Mascara. It retails for $27, which, that's reasonable. I would pay that. Finally, an extreme length and curl plus epic definition come together in one Ultra Luxe Longwear Mascara. It's enriched with conditioners, biotin peptide, and provitamin B5. It's flake and smudge resistant, vegan, lightweight, and buildable, without making lashes look crunchy or clumpy. That was everything in my box. So what do we think? Not bad. I mean, I am really excited for several of the items I got in here. Not so much the scrubber sponge, well, but the other stuff. I mean, that Diamond Balm highlighter button body shimmer. Wow. And I am actually even curious to try the super pricey serum skin regimen stuff. But yeah. So what's the total value? The total value of this $35 June 2021 Boxycharm Premium is $238. Yeah, that's pretty good. And the total savings by getting this subscription in lieu of purchasing these products individually is 85%. Yeah. So this box is an 85% total savings off of retail by getting this box. So yeah, I'm all over it. I love my Boxycharm. I love my Boxycharm Premium. I always get such huge discounts on products that I can't afford otherwise. You know, and I've also discovered some amazing products through getting this subscription. So I'm all over it. Let me know what you think. Put it down in the comments. I want to know. So I do have a couple of other things coming up this week. I've got Ipsy unboxings. I've got giveaways coming. And then Friday night, I am going to be live at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with my bestie, Jeannie, from Unfiltered 50s. So if it's been a minute since you've seen her, definitely pop on. We're going to be chit-chatting, answering your questions. In addition to that, we're going to talk about some of our current absolute favorite must-have beauty products that are definite repurchases for us. So, hope to see you there. Okay, thank you so much for coming to hang out with me during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you guys so much. And if you haven't done so already, smash the subscribe button. It does help my channel out so much. And it gives me the opportunity to continue bringing you content like this. In addition to spoilers, giveaways, and all the good stuff. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys bunches. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.